guys, my name is Nkato and you're watching BlazeTechnica. So the Apple has launched 3 new iPhones this year, the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR. So in this video, we will be taking a quick look at the Apple's new iPhone XS. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In terms of build and design, it looks exactly similar to the iPhone X. On the front, we have the notch in which we get all the Face ID sensors, earpiece which also doubles as a speaker to give you a stereo speaker output, and a front-facing camera which is a 7 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2. It is followed by a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. On the back, we have the dual 12 megapixel cameras. The primary camera has an aperture of f1.8. This time Apple has used a bigger sensor and the pixel size has increased to 1.4 micron. The secondary camera is a telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.4. And both of these cameras has optical image stabilization. It feels quite fast and responsive as you would expect from any new iPhone. The things that have got a major upgrade are the internals. This iPhone XS is powered by the Apple's new A12 Bionic chip. It is a hexa-core processor clocked up to 2.5 GHz and it is built on 7nm manufacturing process. It has 4 GB of RAM and it comes in 3 storage variants. And it has a 2658 mAh battery. This time iPhone has finally got the dual SIM functionality in which you can use one regular SIM card and one eSIM. This new iPhone XS is now IP68 water and dust resistant and it also has support for wireless charging. Opening up the camera, we have some modes in this like portrait mode. In portrait mode, we have different lighting effects like studio light, stage light. So these are the camera samples from this iPhone XS. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then give this video a like, and for more tech videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is me, Nkato, signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one.